Hey guys, John here, Hometown Auto Repair. We have a C3500 GMC 99 model. Here it is in the picture. And I've already done a lot of work to this. I've been kind of in a hurry, so I ain't been able to make any videos. But he also wants the horn fixed. Not a big deal, but if anyone's having this problem, you know, maybe I can help somebody out. So anyway, okay, here's the horn diagram. The first thing I want to do is check this fuse right here. It should be hot at all times. Okay, I have my test light hooked up to battery negative, so when I touch a positive, it should light. Always test your test light before you go in to make any checks. And according to this diagram, right there is the horn fuse, and that would be this one right here. And let's see if it's hot. Yes, the fuse looks like it's good. So what can we check next? The fuse is good right here. When the horn is pressed, we should get a ground that comes all the way up from the horn switch. A slip ring, I'm pretty sure, is the clock spring. It may be something a little different. I'm not 100% sure. But anyway, we should get a ground all the way up to this connection and to the relay. So since I'm already at the relay, I'm going to unplug the relay and see if when I'm pressing the horn, if I'm getting, well, first I'll check and see if there's power on both. I should have two powers on my relay. But when I'm pressing the horn, I should get a ground right here. So let's do that. The horn relay is right here. It'll be this guy right here. So we should have two powers on this at all time. Let's check that. So I'm still hooked up to ground, just to make sure my test light's working. Lighting up. There's one power. Two powers. So these are our power side on the relay. I'm going to switch to positive on, I'll switch my test light over to the positive side, so when I touch a ground, it should light. So I'll just have my test light just barely poked in. You don't want to jam those in and bend the terminals. And I'm going to hit the horn. I'm not sure if I'm in the right one, but I'm just going to try them both for speed. Okay, I'll focus you in on the light and I'll hit the horn. Let me turn the key on. It shouldn't matter, but just in case. Okay, so that's probably grounding out through my horn circuit. We know that we are getting ground to this pin because when I push the horn right here, the ground goes all the way up and lights the test light. So we have control to the relay. When I put my test light on this, we have a constant ground, but what's happening is it's going through the windings of the horn and it's finding its ground right here. So that means we actually have continuity all the way through here. I can almost be sure this horn's not any good unless it's the relay. So I've kind of narrowed it down to the relay or the horn. And the reason I've done that is because I know this wire's good all the way to here, at least one of these. So I have a tool that will actually manually control this relay, and I want to see if the horn comes on. So let me set that tool up real quick and we'll see what happens. Here is my relay tester. It just basically has different relay sockets or plug-ins, and then this is the control. It's a real simple setup. I really like this. It's worked well. So we just get the relay, match. So I want to try to get them 30 to 87. This one's 30 to 87 because that's the way the relay came out, and this is power. It always usually jumps crisscross. This is my control from this pin to here because that's the one that lit up when I hit the horn, and this is the power. Then when the switch comes on, it jumps power from 30 to 87. You take these two leads off of the switch here and put it to battery positive and negative so you can control power to your relay. This is the pin I should be getting power to. Yeah. So the relay is working. At least. Oh, you hear that? Interesting. I heard a little chirp. Okay, I have a jump box. I'm hooked up to negative and turn the power on. Nothing. Okay, I got the new horn hooked up. I have it plugged back in. And when I hit this relay bypass, it should come on. Man, that thing's loud. So let's put the relay back in. Okay, the horn works good and we should be good to go. I've done all the other repairs to this vehicle. I've put new door handles in it, new shift cable, a park switch in the column. I didn't video it because I had to hurry up and get it all done. But anyway, I really appreciate y'all watching, and I'm going to try to make a video once a week, and I appreciate all the guys that subscribed. I really do. I'm trying to build my channel, and I just really appreciate it. So I'm going to go for now, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.